Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In case if you have Redmi 9T global variant, or if you have Redmi 9 Power, the India variant, and if you want to flash this awesome ROM, the Project Infinity X, best ROM for the mobile phones, and if you want to know how to flash or how to update the mobile phone to Android 16, then you need to watch my further video. This ROM comes with the Android 16, Project Infinity for Redmi 9T, and you can flash on the Redmi 9 Power. And if you have a China variant Redmi Note 9, you can flash this ROM on the Redmi Note 9 China variant also. My mobile phone variant is actually 4GB and 64GB storage. This ROM is bringing the Android security update of 1st June 2026. So the mobile phone will get updated to the latest security 1st June 2026 having Android 16. ROM is coming with the Infinity suite. Yes, there are bunch of modifications provided in this ROM. If you come here, check the things, you will say, wow. Somehow, if you know how to make the device certified or to get a strong integrity, you can come here in the customization section and you can tap tricky store, you can upload the key box and you can make the device certified. Else, if you know how to make the device certified or get a strong integrity using the play integrity fix, you can use this option also. And there are many other options and the modifications provided. Like if you want to spoof any application, you can do that. If you come here, check the things, you will say these are the options that really want to have it on my mobile phone. The things are all working properly or perfectly with this ROM. Android 16 latest QoS panel coming with this ROM on the Redmi 9T. After all, Redmi 9T or Redmi 9 Power is the old mobile phone, but still thanks to the developer who is actually porting and releasing the latest ROM for the mobile phone Redmi 9T and Redmi 9 Power. Camera application is actually AOSP camera, which is working all the way fine. Rear camera and front camera both are working. In case if you want to know how to flash the ROM, then you must know that you have to unlock the bootloader. In case if you don't know how to unlock the bootloader, you can watch my video. I will provide the link in my video description. And in case if your mobile phone is bootloader already unlocked, then you can watch my further video. Check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged. In case if the battery is below 30%, then charge the mobile phone battery. Save all the internal storage data. Otherwise, the data will get formatted. In case if you are using Xiaomi account, must remove the account. Select swipe to turn off the device unlock. Sync your Google account once, must remove it to avoid issues. Now you can simply power off the mobile phone. These are two files that we have to download. Links are all provided in my video description. This is the Project Infinity X 3.11. I mean to say 3.11 for Redmi 9T, Redmi 9 Power and Redmi Note 9 China variant. If you see the releasing date, 8 June 2026. Gaps is included. No need to flash these gaps separately. Download the Orange Fox recovery also. Flash the ROM file with only the Orange Fox recovery. This Orange Fox recovery can be flashed on Redmi 9T, Redmi 9 Power and Redmi Note 9, the China variant. So after downloading, extract the Orange Fox recovery file, then open the extracted folder of the Orange Fox recovery and you will see files are provided here. Coming back towards my mobile phone, as I always say that use a good quality of data cable for flashing and for charging the mobile phone battery. Check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer or laptop, whatever option you have. Check the mobile phone, it must be totally power off and the bootloader must be unlocked. Boot the phone into fast boot mode. Press and hold the volume down key, connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see the fast boot screen. Release the volume down key. This is the fast boot screen that you can see on my mobile phone. Mobile phone booted into fast boot mode, connected already with my computer. On my computer screen, I am already in my extracted folder. You can see the batch files which are provided here, flash 1, flash 2. Double click to the flash 1 file first. So the recovery will start flashing on the mobile phone. The command window will auto close after flashing done. Double click the flash to file also. Immediately press and hold the volume up key before Me logo. Right. After 5 seconds, release the volume up key. You will see the orange box recovery will get appears on your mobile phone screen. Go to the third menu, the format data partition, and tap format data. Type YES, tap here. When done, then go back to main screen. Tap the last menu, tap reboot and tap recovery. Now, here is the tricky part. I want your concentration. Tap the upper arrow, then tap the data folder, then tap the 3 dots here, tap create folder, give a name MEDIA, then tap here. The folder created media, right? Tap the last option, tap mount, disable the MTP, then enable the MTP, go back to the first menu. On my computer screen, if you see, the internal storage appears already on my computer. Redmi Note 9 4G, because the ROM that I was using was ported from the Redmi Note 9, which is the China variant. That is why the mobile name still showing Redmi Note 9. Now, I am already in my extracted folder of the recovery. First, copy the recovery.img file from here. Then go back to the downloaded folder and paste the file here. Okay, I got the file outside from the extracted folder. Now copy the ROM file Infinity and recovery file, Project Infinity 3.11 and the recovery file. Copy both files from here. Go to the internal storage of the mobile phone. Double click to open the internal storage. Paste both files on the internal storage of the mobile phone. I got both files copied on my internal storage. I am done from the computer. First, disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. Then tap the media folder. Well, you will see both files over here, right? First, install the ROM file by tapping it and selecting it, and then swipe to start flashing it. Now, it will take time. We have to wait here. ROM file got flashed perfectly. Now go back and flash the recovery, right? After flashing the ROM, must flash the recovery file. Tap to select the recovery.img, then tap to select the recovery partition and then swipe. When done, then go back, tap the third menu, tap format data, type YES, tap here. Okay, done. Then tap reboot system now. The mobile phone will stay on the Me logo for a while, and then it will start booting to the Project Infinity X ROM, which is actually Android 11. The first boot will not take that much time, still we have to wait. Finally, first boot completed. I will complete the setup screen. So I got the best ROM on my mobile phone. Now, first thing, what you have to do after flashing the ROM, straightly clear the cache or clear the data of the Play Store. Keep tapping on the Play Store, then tap application info or app info, tap more, then tap storage cache and tap clear storage. Delete. Okay, done. Go back and now you are ready to go. ROM got flashed properly and perfectly, right? If I tap the settings and if I go to the about phone, and if I tap the Android 16, this is what I got on my mobile phone. Freshly install the Project Infinity X 3.11 on my mobile phone, which is actually Redmi 9T. Android security update 1st June 2026. The phone is got updated to Android 16 latest security update. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel also. We'll see you again. Bye bye.